up mga besh mga bay?
Pogo man di ay.
Pogo man di ay. More hype.
Woo! Sige, mamuntag sa tanan. Today is the finals of street skating here at the SEA Games. I'm running a little late, but I got the Red Bull ready to power the team. Got to run over there. It's just across the street. We're gonna watch Margie hopefully take the gold today, and Daniel Letterman. But we're gonna head over there right now. So, ta-da. Man of the hour. What up? Oh.
Hey, it's so good to see you. All the people on TV land.
Yeah, buddy. So are you gonna be the announcer today or no?
I'll be the awarding ceremony MC. I'll wear a suit. I think I'll wear a suit.
What's up, boy? You ready? Leg out. Christiana, say what up. Hey. Good luck, good luck. So this is the finals. I guess earlier they had the preliminaries. Hey, what up? How was the preliminaries? I missed it.
I just got here.
Oh, what up? Ilonggo ni siya, Ilonggo no? Ilonggo din. Mama ni Margie, kumusta?
Okay na.
Kulban mo, kulban. Ayos. Confident na ang gold.
Kain po tita.
Hi, kumusta?
Hello.
How are you? Ayos. What's up? Ready na?
Kuyog taglingkod.
Oh. Kuyog ta? Kumusta? Pamilya ni Margie. Ayos. Nay, naglingkod dire. Ako na lang. Ayos. Ako na lang para lingaw ba? Init kayo?
Init kayo.
Maito mo diha.
Walay ka sumaito, ang kainit lang, malutok mo ulo.
This is my man Caleb. He is gonna make a YouTube channel, so whenever he makes one, I'll put it down below. You have an idea for your YouTube channel name?
I don't know.
Not sure yet. All right, man. Woo. What up, bro? You ready?
Yeah, I had no practice, but yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How's it going? Carson, nice to meet you. You're way up now?
Yeah.
Way up now? Taga
Austria.
Austria, nice. First time to the Philippines?
Oh, with a second.
Second? Right on.
DJ, can you play some hip-hop music, please?
Margie's not going if there's no hip-hop music.
To hype our skaters. Whenever you're ready, Margie.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Ah, shiz.
Next up, we'll have Margielyn Didal. There's the music that you're looking for.
Got the money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got the money on my mind.
Take a board. Margie with the backside, first side to the big rail. Oh, the backside goes right at them off the other. There's that backside goes right, super clean.
Pogo man di ay. Sige, so humana si Margie, 3.6 yung score. So grabe, that's gonna be hard to beat. And next up, let's see how Johnny does represent the Philippines. Let's go.
From Singapore. Alright, the champions from the Philippines. Third place. Limas, are you inside there or on the other side?
Don't you worry about me.
Right side.
If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tracks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Sup mga besh mga bay.
Mga bogo man di ay.
Bogo man di ay. Money hype.
Sige, so karon na nga ako lisensya para mag-drone dire. Dili ko pwede mo drone babaw sa skateboarding yun. So dili ko mag-angle lang. Pero mag-drone na ta.
Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
Karon, gusto ko ng men's skating. Pero nakatawag ko ganina kay Bogoman di ay ang kanta ni Didal, ni Margie, syempre. Sige, so mutanang na ta.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away.
In second place and the winner of silver medal from the Philippines, Cristiano Means. From the Philippines, Margielyn Didal. The medal will be awarded by Honorable Raymond Ambian, Vice Mayor of the City of Tagaytay.
Hello, proud girlfriend. Sa imong isuti. Ikaw susunod. Ikaw susunod.
Ako sunod ah.
Oo, sige.
Pero ako naka-gold man sad ko kaya ako makuyab si Margie.
Bantay si Margie sa imo. Ikaw sa iyong gold.
Lagi.
Artista na imong giniganan. Yeah. Artista na sila. Sikat na. Sikat na. Grabe.
What are your thoughts that you repeated another 1-2 finish?
Hello? We're just having fun. Like, at the same time representing our country.
What's up, Kaloy?
Tagalog pala si...
Kailangan pa natin abutin. Siyempre, kasi
Marunong ka na pala mag-Tagalog, Kaloy. Ako, Bisaya ka. Si Pata, gini mo, Kaloy.
Thank you so much, ladies. We appreciate your...
and gusto ko lang sabihin, especially sa mga bata na gustong mag-skate, try nga lang, or even not sa skating, kung ano man yung gusto nyo sa buhay, or ano yung pinapangarap nyo, try nyo abutin. Pag napagod kayo, magpahinga. Pag natumba, pwedeng bumangon at itry nyo ulit hanggang maabot nyo. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Our goal is that there'll be facilities in the Philippines that we can show and prove that it's not just a select few. It's this whole nation is rich with talent, You know, skateboarding is one of them. So this is something that's like, doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl, if you're short, if you're tall, skateboarding is for everybody, and we as Filipinos can excel. And we want to show that. We want to show that to the world.
Yeah, Ed!
Oh, Bisaya na lang ta. Ayos, tanawa sa iyong kalok. Wapo kayo, pastilan. Tanawa. Oh! Grabe! Bago ni siya? Bago?
Yeah.
Wow.
Kuya, bye. Salamat kayo.
Sige, salamat. Nice to meet you guys.
Picture.
Oh, picture ta. Ayaw, so pagkahuman sa mga interview nila, akong gikuha na kinahanglan dyan nilang mga skate park dito sa Pilipinas. Kay grabe, sige sila magdaog og silver o gold. Bisan wala sila skate park, how much more kung na sila nindot na skate park dito sa Pilipinas.